Hi everyone, so in today's video I'll be showing you how I repaired the damaged charging port to my daughter's Samsung Galaxy tablet. I initially took it to several electronic repair shops and was quoted between $80 and $90 for the repair. One shop even told me it wasn't worth it, that I should just go ahead and purchase a new one for her. See that port? Yeah, it's all damaged. So after much research, I found a repair kit for this particular device on Amazon for $13, guys. That's the new charger port that I'm going to install. Only $13, and it came with all the tools that I would need to open up the device, remove the screws, and hopefully get this back to working condition. So here we are. I'm going to take a stab at it and I hope it all works out. So here I am trying to open up the device, guys, and this is my first time doing something like this, and it was rather difficult. I was really having a really difficult time trying to pry this thing open, as you can see. Nonetheless, I got it open, guys. Here we go. And whoops. Out pops a SIM card. I had no idea there was a SIM card in there. Well, anyway, here's what we're working with. There's the old board that I need to take out. There's some mini screws in there. So this is what I'm working with today. Let's see. Okay, so I've got 4 mini screws here to remove. All right, let's get started with that. Sorry, my hand's in the way. All right, let's just zoom out a bit. Let's get those screws out. Okay, this is the second one. Let's get the third one out of there. And the fourth. Let's get this tab up. Remove this wire. And let's pop open this cover so we can move the plate. All right, now the old plate is out. It's the old one and the new one's going in now. Let's fit that in place. And let's get those screws back in. These screws are so tiny. Having a little bit of difficulty with them, but we will prevail. All right. Okay, let's get the next one in. Get that tab down. All right, and let's get the last screw in. This one gave me a little bit of difficulty, but we'll get it in. Come on now. All right. Let's get that in there. Put that wiring back down. Snap that back into place. Okay. Gotta make sure everything is nice and tight. There goes the new charger port. Looking good. Just pressing everything back down to make sure everything is nice and secure. Let's get that back cover back on. Let's wipe her screen protector down. All right, and then now let's plug it up and see if we get a charge. Nope, there it is, guys. We got a charge. It's working. Wow, that's great. Check me out. I did it, guys. I saved myself all that money. Can you believe they were going to charge me $80 to $90 just to fix this? And here we go. It's booted up and running. Look at that. I'm so happy I made the decision to take a stab at fixing it myself, and it worked out. She's got her tablet back now. She's happy, I'm happy, and we're gonna go play some games on it now. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.